Hello from the morning of Derrick Knob's shelter. Rained all day yesterday. Thunderstorms, hail, sleet, and this place was packed. Let me show you here. So we had shoulder to shoulder all the way across the top. And shoulder to shoulder, hey hot buns, all the way to the bottom. And quite like us, you see everybody's gone. We're still here. All packs, about 15 packs hung up there. Some people were even gonna sleep on the ground here. It was pretty packed. Well, what was a green, lush land, wake up to a huge frost up here in the Smokies. But looks like it's gonna be a good day. I can actually see the sky. It's a good thing out here. Oh, probably can't see it in this camera, but I'm staring right at the moon too. Bark at the moon. Shelter was almost full last night. Probably had about 10 or 12 in there. Could have fit one or two more. But nice little shelter there. Has the tarps for the harsh weather. We should be in Clingmans Dome today, so hopefully we get a nice clear day for that. And then Newfound Gap and maybe Gatlinburg. So let me get packed up and we'll hit the road. It is certainly beautiful in here after a double spring gap shelter, and that is actually a really nice hike up to it as well. But
it's a really nice shelter.
Yeah.
It's medium sized, it's not huge, but it does have bare cables, bare box, and a privy.
And a privy, folks. So they've ripped, they tore some of the in the Smokies. They've tore a lot of privies down. So double spring gap shelter, whatever it's called. If you walk out of the shelter to the left, walks you right down to a privy. They're a rare some. They've tore some down. It's a beautiful day. We should, I'll say should, to get some views at Clingmans, which is nice. Hot Buns, you said that you slept pretty good last night?
I slept great last night, and it might have just been because I slept so bad the night before, so I was just so exhausted. But, like, apparently, people on both sides of me got up in the middle of the night to go pee, and I didn't even know. Like, I was out.
That's when you know you sleep good.
Yeah, because we were elbow to elbow. Luckily, we got there early this time.
Early?
Early. Shout out to Chug.
Yeah, we came in and there's only about 4 or 5 people there, and they probably maxed out at, I don't know, 12. So it's rare for us.
And there was a couple tenters.
Yeah, and we got out before 9 a.m.
Woohoo!
8:45. That's either our record or very close to it. I'm turning around here to show you this stuff. It's gorgeous.
This is like been the best landscape change. I love it.
Yeah, Smokies have been nice. Including this Game of Thrones looking chair over here. Wanted to bring you back for the view. It is a gorgeous ridgeline walk here up to Clingmans. Except that's not the view. That's the view. Both sides, gotta love it. Absolutely gorgeous. Songbird singing for us. What a mile and a half this has been. Here we are, people. Point 3 from Clingmans Dome. Easy for me to say. Look at that beautiful view.
That is beautiful.
Maybe within a mile or so of Clingmans. It is stunning. Great view behind us. Cannot complain. And it's picture time.
skirt that thing.
Beautiful view of North Carolina. Has hot buns, just let me know in the background there. And beautiful view of Tennessee. We're walking on the state line, right on the ridge. That is beautiful, epic, amazing, stunning. The views just keep coming and coming. Bring you back for this one, and then on to the next. All right, let's walk up this beast and I'll bring you back. So we're not 100% sure we're gonna get a view until we hit the top. Find out. It's like double jeopardy. Yes or no? Yeah.
Man, this AT thing would be really easy if I didn't have 30 pounds on my back.
Not looking good, folks.
Well, there's a little bit over there. Just happy for anything. View around Clingmans Dome here. It actually opened up. Pretty foggy, but it all cleared for us. Beautiful, beautiful views. Got North Carolina on one corner, Tennessee on the other. Gorgeous.
All right. Reality hits. We're leaving Clingmans Dome. It is beautiful.
We don't want to, but you know, hike on.
Yeah, it was really something.
Yeah.
It was pretty fogged in. We got a little bit of glimpse, but then everything opened up. Little fog here and there. What do you think about Clingmans hot buns?
I like Clingmans. This was fun.
Yeah, man, that was nice. That was something. A little worried at the end there we wouldn't get our views, but we got them.
We got them.
I'll have to check the time. I think we spent about 45 minutes, so that's not bad for us. And grab a little food and hike on here.
Ah!
We just hit mile marker 200, man.
Yay!
Hell yeah.
That's awesome.
All right. I don't know if this is going to get it in there. You stand on one side, I stand on the other. Mile marker 200, baby!
Woo!
How do you feel about hitting mile marker 200, hot buns?
That's awesome! What a great day! We got to go to Clingmans. We hit 200. It's got good views. Hopefully, we can go to Newfound Gap and go get a burger.
If this day ends in a burger, it's going to be the best.
Epic.
Coming down from Clingmans Dome, the hike is beautiful. Terrain isn't too bad. We were either going to stop at Mount Collins shelter or hike on down to Newfound Gap, which is about another 5 miles. We got to the shelter, and what did we decide there, hot buns?
We decided to just have a quick snack and keep on keeping on.
So we could have stayed there, got up real early, been in Gatlinburg in the morning to resupply, eat, do our thing, but we will just go in now. Either way, if we take a Nero tomorrow, we still leave at the same time, so we'll go into town. And we conquered half the Smokies. We hit Clingmans Dome. We conquered the 200-mile mark. So it's been a good day.
It has been a good day.
We'll probably bring you back in here when we get down to the gap. We'll see if, I don't know if we're gonna need a shuttle or if maybe there's somebody there that can give us a ride. We'll figure it out. But we'll head into Gatlinburg, get some food, take a look at a couple inexpensive hotels, get some laundry done, let some stuff dry out, and get some chores done. All right, we will talk to you down at the Gap. Still trudging away towards our home for the night, but it's getting interesting. Landscape's changing even more with the large trees, the fern trees. Take a look at that. We're going to hop off, I think it's Newfound Gap, into Gatlinburg to resupply. Back out. Sorry, hit a tree there. Back out for a couple days, and then a close friend of ours from Charleston is coming up, gonna rent a cabin. We're gonna have a 0 day with them. Really awesome people. So, all right, let's figure out where we're going. The fog is so thick, it's kind of neat. When you go to town and need laundry done, this is how hiker trash do it.
Yep.
I'm walking down the road with all my clothing in a garbage bag.
Yep.
And what I'm wearing right now, I'm gonna wash, and I'm gonna put on my rain gear while I'm washing it. Gotta love being a thru hiker.
Yep.
All right. Our 4-day resupply for 2 people, eating like kings and queens. What do you think, Hot Buns?
Wow, it's a lot of food.
Trying to get better at this. We're getting closer. We'll see how we do here. We'll report back. All right, this is what I look like after a resupply day. Well, I don't like resupply days.
Yeah, resupply day is no fun.
Do you see this huge frickin' thing?
It's too heavy.
It's too heavy. It's too heavy. Yeah, it's that thing is stuffed to the gills. All right, I need to start eating quickly.